Man, fuck these niggas. I'ma spare everything but these niggas. I flip a gun and gun, but these niggas take the knife off the AK and cut these niggas. Yeah, and fuck these bitches. I swear I care about everything but these bitches. I don't care, I so what these bitches. And I put young moolah baby me above these bitches. If it ain't broke, don't break it. And if he ain't shook, I'm gon' shake him. Hope I don't look weak, cause when a wolf cry wolf, you still see that wolf teeth, motherfucker. Futuristic handgun. If you act foul, you get 2 shots and 1. I'm at your face like Lancome. You niggas softer than Roseanne, son. Hey, you cannot reach me on my Samsung. I'm busy fucking the world and giving the universe my damn tongue. Crazy motherfucker, I am one. But the crazy thing is, I began one. All white bricks, I'm straight like it's jumping back to 36, nigga. Big house, long hallways, got 10 bathrooms. I could shit all day, nigga. And we don't want no problems. Okay, you're a gun, what's it going to a goblin? Yeah, it came on the beat. I fuck around and leave a nigga brains on the street. Now pop that pussy. I bring her to my bedroom and pop that pussy. And we be steady mobbing. Whoa, Kimasabi, big ballin' is my hobby.
What the fuck is up? It's Gucci Man the G. That's Titty Boy, no PD Boy, bitch Scar City the city boy. So icy, so no Nike, boy, just Gucci, Louis, Prada, excuse me. Gucci Man keep shitting on me. Why that boy keep buying shit? He still on a cock and hammers, bandanas on car antennas. No, we do not talk to strangers, just cut off these niggas' fingers. Gucci's on them dangerous, cocaine, codeine, and major though. This AK-47, I hit your airwell from the ankle up. This same size as me alone, clip long Delta Pringles can. 4-5 Desert Eagle on me, you think I'm a Eagles fan. Tony Brash, the sniper rifle, make it never breathe again. Fuck that nigga, kill that nigga, bring him back, kill him again. Gucci.
Yeah, the money is the motive.
Damn, I done walked in here looking like the motherfucking man of the year. I think I had the motherfucking plan of the year, which was simply to make groupie fans of my peers. And I give my girl whatever she desire, and my niggas get whatever they require. These rappers old, I'm the reason they expire. Plus I got a city that I carry like Mariah. Damn, that punchline was predictable. I still got you shitting bricks, homie, quit the bull. And we don't need new members, to me the clique is full. And I be getting the same women that tip the pool. Believe it or not, I receive a lot, so I be wearing the same Gucci that Jeezy got. And I be buying the Louis that Kanye's a cop. And I be ripping the same records that Weezy rock. The shit is easy, pop, that's why I'm ready, man. I'm never copied nor a bit like Eddie, man. Did you get it, Eddie Murphy? Was it nor a bit? Or was it way over your head? You should forfeit. Yeah, I take a woman shopping in the store quick. Her ass big, she just trying to make a forfeit. Yeah, they need to issue out a recall. I'm going up and they headed into a free fall. The fundamentals are needed, you playing street ball. And I was out at BET, but I ain't see y'all. These ski-low rappers wishing they could be tall, letting all their fake friends use them like a freestyle.
Yeah, I done walked in here looking like the motherfucking man of the year. My shades so dark and my eyes so bright. My buddy and my fans wanna fight you right. Round 1, round 2, round 3. Doesn't have to ever bring a bitch round me, cause ain't no nigga like a young money nigga there. Ain't no nigga like me. I'm going for the goal, my heart is in control. My mind is on succeed, and I am in the lead. Don't buy into the schemes, the science on strategy. Just giant in UTs, brains triumph and belief. I'm relying on redeem, inspired by the green. Never tired, no fatigue, never defiant to my team. Never lying on a thing until I'm lying on a thing. Hooked to wires and things, I'ma die as a king. If I don't do it now, I'ma try it again. And when I do accomplish it, I'ma try it again. gain. I'm a riot insane, I'm a lion, my mane hangs down to my strings and they're tied to the game. I stay dry when it rains, I'm tired of the fame. Got everything to gain and I'm proud of the pain. The pride and the plain, the wise and the strange, denied by the same. Besides we're the same. Who's guiding the train? Who's flying the plane? Who's driving the lane? Who dies when it bang? Who fires when it bang? Who lies in the aim? 2 lives in a drain. Who cries when they sing? You hide but you can't, you hide but you ain't. I advise you to think, you'll find what you can't. Revive what you taint, survive what you paint, supersize what you shrink, defies and a drink. Admired as a saint, defined by my rank, combined with my strength, my time and my length. I'ma iron out the kinks, yes I'm on the brink, and in the eye of a wink, I'ma retire in a bank, yeah. And I'm no quitter, cause I'ma go get her. No, I'm no quitter, yes I'ma go get her, yeah. I'm gon' get it, I'm gon' get it, yeah, I'm gon' get it, yeah. Cause I'ma go get her. Victory consistently, train all year to be the enemy's misery. No stress visibly, neither does it enter me. I think positively, you can't harm me mentally, not physically, not spiritually. You'll never get rid of me, I am the epitome. If this is what you did to me, nothing's what you did for me, nothing's what you give to me. I take whatever I'm visioning, I break all of the limiting, I shake all of the gimmicking, the fakery, the trickery. Nurse, how sick is he? Worse, I'm sickening. I'll be at the finish line first, how quick is he? I'ma make sure they mention me for the next century. I ain't with the bickering, I ain't full of dignity, I ain't full of energy. Pull out the inner me, a bull after dinner meat. I stood in the winter heat, it could be the end of me, but good be defending me, yeah. And I'm no quitter, I'ma go get her. I'ma go get her. I'm no quitter, I'ma go get her. Yeah, I'm allergic to cheating, I hate failure, and I am in love with achievement, above and beneath it. A hug when I greet it, my eyes on the prize, and I love when I seek it. Done with the speaking, begun with the preaching. I pray until I am one with the deacon. I play until I have won whatever we win. I play until I have won and then I re-win, yeah.